Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when your iPhone keeps turning on and off. So, your iPhone is shutting off randomly by itself with battery left and restarting repeatedly. You use the device for work or entertainment as usual. However, your iPhone turns off automatically and then turns back on again. The phone stays on for a few minutes and then starts shutting down again. It keeps turning off and on constantly, which seems like a restart loop. Sometimes, instead of turning off and on every 2 minutes or longer, your iPhone turns off and on all the time without booting up to the home screen, showing the Apple logo on and off over and over again. If this is your case, keep watching and we'll show you how to fix an iPhone that keeps turning on and off itself repeatedly. First, let's quickly go through some scenarios that most users in the Apple discussions community might encounter when the iPhone keeps turning on and off by itself. iPhone keeps shutting off and turning on repeatedly on its own after update like iOS 16, iOS 17, or newer. iPhone is turning off when you unlock it. You have an iPhone that keeps turning on and off the Apple logo while charging. iPhone shuts down randomly, then turns on, then shuts off again, and it repeats every a few minutes or hours. Your iPhone gets wet or damaged and it randomly shuts down and restarts repeatedly. Next, let's take a look at why your iPhone is turning on and off repeatedly. Temporary system bugs, running out of iPhone storage, battery issues, low battery, charging incorrectly, and more can cause an iPhone to turn off and on repeatedly without warning. Faulty apps, malware infection, jailbreaking, corrupted iOS update. Yes, some of the problems that iPhone shuts off and restarts and repeats are caused when an update doesn't install correctly. Damaged internal components. Now, in the following, we'll show you how to fix an iPhone that keeps turning off and on repeatedly itself. Instead of doing a high-cost screen repair or replacement, there are some free and easy methods you can try to stop your iPhone from shutting down randomly. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step. Besides, if you have any questions about attempting these tricks, write them down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Method 1 is to force restart your iPhone. When your iPhone keeps switching off and turning on repeatedly, try to force restart your device. You might ask, will I lose my data to do force restart? The answer is absolutely no. This step is to refresh the system by turning off the phone and then rebooting it with a sequence of button presses. This is what you can do anywhere and anytime to stop iPhone from switching off randomly. Here's what you need to do. If you're using an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the volume down button and side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. If you're using iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. You can repeat the steps a couple of times if your iPhone still shuts down rapidly after force rebooting. Now, see if you turn your iPhone back on without shutting off randomly. Method 2 is to charge iPhone and check battery health. To fix your iPhone that keeps turning off and on repeatedly while charging, try this step. Unplug the cable if connected. Change another Apple certificated USB cable and power adapter to charge your iPhone through a wall power outlet. After charging your iPhone for at least 1 hour, force restart your device. See now if your iPhone stops turning on and off on its own. If you can still enter your iPhone, you can reach the home screen, and then check the battery health. Tap Settings, find and tap Battery, and then tap Battery Health. If it says that the battery needs to be replaced or repaired, it's the culprit for iPhone showing the Apple logo and turning off constantly, and you'd better take your phone to the Apple Store or buy a new one. Method 3 is to delete apps that make iPhone shut off. Maybe you download and install an app from an unknown website. Perhaps you jailbreak your device and change the app, making your iPhone keep switching off rapidly. Whatever, remove the app if you have access to the phone. Find the app that causes your iPhone to power off without warning. Press and hold the app icon. Tap Remove App. Tap Delete App. Tap Delete to confirm. Hope now you turn on your iPhone turns on and stop it from shutting down randomly. If can't access the phone or your iPhone still powers down, try the next method. Method 4 is to check iPhone storage space. Make sure to check the storage space if you can still use your iPhone. An iPhone that turns on and immediately turns off and repeats can be the result of low iPhone memory. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage and you can see how much space is used if your device is running out of memory. Free up the space by deleting photos, videos, system cache, and so on. Then, see if your iPhone stops turning off and gets back to working order again. Method 5 is to update iPhone with a computer. Now, here you will need a computer to save your phone. Because the system is messed up or goes awry, causing your iPhone to turn on and off repeatedly. You might ask, will I lose my data? The answer is still no. To get you through this method simply, we'll introduce the process step by step. Get a Windows or a Mac laptop or desktop and download iTunes or Finder. Download and run iTunes or Finder on your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Depending on your iPhone model, you'll need to follow different steps. For iPhone 8 and later models, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the side, or top, button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will detect it and prompt you to update or restore your device. To fix your iPhone that turns on and off repeatedly by itself, choose the update option to download and install the latest available iOS version. The process might take a very long time, but it's worth it. You can watch a video when waiting. Once done, let your iPhone restart. Hope your iPhone now won't turn off again and remains working. Method 6 is to reset iPhone with a computer. At last, you can try doing a factory reset to fix iPhone that turns off and on itself all the time. It's easy to reset your iPhone in the Settings app. If your device is unusable, you'll need a computer to do the reset. Run iTunes or Finder on your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. For my iPhone 11, I'll need to press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Now, you can see this dialog box on your computer, saying Update and Restore. Here's a reminder. Clicking Restore will wipe clean your device. I mean, all your precious images, phone numbers, chat history, and saved login information will be erased completely. If you've archived the important data, choose the Restore option and follow the steps that are left. Wait for the restore process to complete. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 3 hours. After the restore is complete, your iPhone should restart. Quickly go through the initial setup process to set up your device. Method 7 is to go to professional iPhone repair shop. Finally, if all else fails, or your iPhone keeps turning off and loading after water damage, battery replacement or dropping, the hardware is faulty and it's hard for you to know which one is broken. So, you have little option but to rely on professional help from an authorized Apple repair service. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone that keeps turning on and off randomly by itself. We sincerely hope that the troubleshooting steps we've shared have been effective in resolving your iPhone turns off and on issue. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues with your iPhone or any other device, don't hesitate to seek help in Cora Radar. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.